Welcome to Siargao City in Surigao del Norte, and welcome to Antro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The pre-colonial history of Siargao in Surigao is rooted in the rich cultural heritage of the indigenous peoples who have inhabited the region for centuries. Surigao was home to various indigenous groups with distinct languages and cultures. The Mamanwa, Manobo, and Surigao-non are some of the indigenous people who historically inhabited the region. Maritime pre-colonial societies in the Philippines, including Surigao, primarily engaged in farming, fishing, hunting, boat building, seafaring, and trade. Intra-regional trade networks existed, allowing for the exchange of goods and cultural practices with neighboring communities. Surigao is also known for its rich mineral resources. Pre-colonial communities engaged in mining and metalworking activities, producing tools and ornaments from local ores. The social structure of pre-colonial societies in Surigao involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. The datu, or local chief, played a crucial role in governance. Animistic beliefs and the worship of nature spirits, deities, and ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial societies. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvests, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions was primarily oral. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Surigao and the Philippines as a whole. The influences of colonial rule, changes in governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. Presently, Siargao holds the title of being recognized as the surfing capital of the Philippines. The primary attraction that draws enthusiasts to Siargao is undoubtedly its vibrant surfing scene. Siargao is also distinguished by being home to Mindanao's largest mangrove forest, a site accorded protected status by the Philippine Department of Environment and Natural Resources in 1996. The vibrant surfing culture in Siargao continues to flourish with an annual array of surfing competitions, notably the Siargao Surfing Cup competition, considered one of the Philippines' premier international sporting events.